Welcome to downtown Las Vegas. My name is Carly Carpodian, and this is Newport Lofts. This 1,077 square foot high-rise lies in the heart of the Arts District, near some of the best art, restaurants, and entertainment in the city. With modern finishes, vaulted ceilings, and strip and mountain views off the terrace, you won't want to miss this stunning loft. And as if that wasn't enough, amenities include a rooftop pool and spa, fitness center, recreation room, and so much more. Call me today to learn more about how you can get your hands on this beautiful property.